Hey, welcome back. This is my project here, my tub. Today has been one of those days where we had to take the tub off and on several times. And I'll tell you why. Because all of this stuff back here, you can see right in there. So the tub, see how tight that is? Can't really see that? There's no room. And to get it sit back in there, you don't have much room. So what we had to do, see how that it's kind of locked in? So it's locked in behind the drywall. So you have to take it out several times. In order to do that, we had to end up cutting this 2x4 all the way down, because you have to bring it from the bottom up, basically, and then slide it out that way. And so it's pretty tricky, but we got it. It looks like we matched the hole perfectly. But here, you can see it's a little bit short yet. Tomorrow I'll fix it by putting 2 couplings on that, and that'll raise it. It's about 1 inch, maybe 1¼ inches. See that? Right there. That thing has to be all the way in. But we got all this worked out. Nice. Yep. And so that's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and give me a like, a thumbs up. Hit the bell so I can notify you when I'm making more videos. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.